In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset an app on Windows 11. If an app is freezing, crashing, or acting strangely, resetting it can quickly bring it back to its original state. Think of it like giving the app a clean slate. Windows clears the app's data and settings, which often resolves persistent problems. Keep in mind that this may sign you out of the app and remove its preferences, but it won't touch your personal files stored elsewhere on your PC. Start by opening the Start menu. You can click the Windows icon on your taskbar or press the Windows key on your keyboard. From the Start menu, open Settings. The Settings app has a gear icon, and it's the central place to manage Windows features and apps. In the Settings window, select Apps from the left-hand sidebar. This is where Windows organizes everything related to installed applications. On the right, click Installed Apps. You'll now see a list of all the apps currently on your device. If the list is long, use the search box at the top to quickly locate the app you want to reset, or sort the list to make it easier to find. Once you've found the app, look to the right of its name and click the three dots to open its menu. Choose Advanced Options. Not every app shows this link. Typically, Microsoft Store apps and some desktop apps support it. If you don't see advanced options for a particular app, that app may not offer a reset feature. On the Advanced Options page, scroll until you find the Reset section. You may also see a Repair option here, which attempts to fix the app without removing its data. For a full reset, click Reset. Windows will display a warning explaining that the app's data will be deleted and the app will be restored to its default configuration. If you're comfortable proceeding, click Reset again to confirm. Now, wait for the reset process to finish. This usually takes a few moments. You might notice the button graying out or a brief status indicator. Just keep the window open until it completes. When it's done, the app is essentially like it was when you first installed it. The next time you open it, you may need to sign back in and grant permissions again, and any custom settings you had will be reset to defaults. That's all there is to it. Resetting an app in Windows 11 is a straightforward way to fix stubborn issues without reinstalling Windows or losing your personal files. If problems persist, you can revisit this page later or explore other troubleshooting methods.